Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Rachel Heruela and I'm 37 years old. We are 6 siblings in our family. I'm in the fourth. I'm single and high school graduate. My father's name is Rupo Heruela and my mother's name is Rosita Heruela. I describe myself as a loving and caring person, have faith in God, family-oriented, kind, honest, and have long patience. As my previous work, I worked in the Middle East for 6 years in a different employer, but in a different employer I finished my old contract. I decided to work in Hong Kong because on a good salary, and my friends told me about how nice and good your country when it comes to a household worker. I like a lot of kids. Ever since I work in abroad, I'm always a nanny. I need this job, Mom and Sir, because I'm the one who provides our needs, especially in financial, and my mother is already old, and my father is already died since I was 5 years old. And when it comes in a work, I'm a hard working person. Thank you and God bless you, Mom and Sir.